snow, and the plough is just here doing the mound in the middle of the road, and it's huge. So I'm just going to turn it around so you can see. Jesus, there he is, big mound. It doesn't look that big from here, but I can tell you that's probably about 7 or 8 foot now. It's a big old plough that is, and he's having a whale of a time. Here he comes, he's scooping up the snow. This is about the 5th time the plough has been round now since the snow down. And I have got coffee. So I am going back in the house because fuck me, it's cold. So yeah, that's the plough, and he's huge, and this is the snow. And it's great. Good night, over and out.